Brothers and sisters, we have gathered here today in the presence of God with Lana and Steven to give thanks for the gift of marriage.
Lana, throughout our years of friendship, we had the chance to watch each other grow. Through every stage of life, even the scary ones, the lovely tomboy stage with basketball shorts and those really cute cutoffs with the headbands we all lived in, and now into this beautiful woman that lights up the room. Somehow we went from hours upon hours of phone calls on the landline at our parents' houses to watching you walk down the aisle and marry the man of your dreams.
See, me and Steven, we go way back. Since we met in 3rd grade, we've pretty much been inseparable. And I have a lot of friends that say I'm pretty weird, but usually after they meet Steven for the first time, once he's gone, they say, now I see why you are the way you are. I propose a toast to a long, healthy, and happy life between Steven and Lana.
Lana, take this ring
Lana, take this ring
as a sign of my love.
as a sign of my love.
In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
In the name of the Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Stephen, take this ring
Stephen, take this ring
as a symbol of my love.
as a symbol of my love.
In the name of the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
In the name of the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Stephen, you may kiss your bride, Lord.